welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I'm in the kitchen again today, and I'm joined here with these nincompoops.
No.
This nincompoop 1, nincompoop 2.
Hi,
This nincompoop over here, so sausage, and this nincompoop over here. Name what?
The goddess.
She named Taylor. She had her Instagram. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Hi. Ooh, shut up. Anyways, guys, so yes, we're gonna bake cookies. So we're going to bake chocolate chip cookie, and we're gonna bake oatmeal.
I was telling that little girl to take out the stuff. She asking me what she going to need. Like I'm here. So I'm giving you the update, guys. I'm the cameraman. Say hi, Shay.
Hi.
She's sitting, and well, everybody else is looking for things to start the work. So anyway, this is what they have so far. How we doing? How we doing? We're doing good.
Clean up the things then.
Shall clean up the things them. Hey, Shay, move the flower pan then. Let me show them what we have over there. So we have the oatmeal things over there, and we have the chocolate. Move your hand, please. We're going to be doing that. Yes, the chocolate chip. That's my favorite. I'm really not looking forward for the oatmeal.
Alright, what's the first thing you should do again, Shay? You should soften the butter, don't? Me not ask if you want something that
Don't trace me on the camera.
I don't care.
They're seeing you.
Alright, I'm sorry. Shan, can I get something to that thingy? No.
There you go. What you doing, Taylor? Please explain. Would you move those bag of rags in front of you?
I'm currently about to measure the ingredients and
Okay, so let me go. Let me go over here. She's doing what? Please explain.
I'm just melting the butter. It's supposed to be softened, but I prefer to melt because it's much easier.
Alright, so let's see what Taylor is doing. Perfect. Yes, Taylor, then teach you how to measure at school. How teacher? Your English teacher? So it is melted. Move your hand. Let me zoom. You see, it is all buttery. Yes. Cornmeal, mix it up and start. Me say, "Can go kill me, you see people."
then maybe in the egg one at a time.
Alright, so they're going for the egg, people. Let me keep your nice.
I don't have it. What nobody said. Alright guys, I don't know where it ended, but yeah, we run out of space for the camera. So we have flour, baking soda, cinnamon, salt. Yeah. And now an egg. Yeah, we supposed to get that part there.
I'm not sure.
So our lovely chefess.
Bakist.
Yes, bakist. is going to spin around. Spin a roll, my friend.
Sir.
Yeah. Same difference. Alright guys, we're putting in our oats.
Of course.
Tell us if I want more. Alright, so I mix out the oats. We are sitting there with the oats. Get this milk and oil. So yes. How you feeling, sweetie?
My hand hurts.
Sammy doesn't like all that kitchen lights. It does.
Right. Yeah, bread. So now we're stirring the oats into the batter.
And it's add.
It's really thick.
Thick. Madam.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Pop. Jesus. Me have been for spoon. That's why I tell us me want the red one. Red spoon would not bed. Miss me don't know if you use that. Don't joke. Can't pass it.
You want it?
What's going there now? Shade that enough. Shade that.
Okay, me up close and personal.
Me say, I made it. Me need me hand.
We had to call in the big guns.
I know me can't fix it. Oh, shall me know why it's so thick? Remember saying like a cut, we are cut it out, we are drop them, so we have to make, we have to. Yeah. I know.
Halloween is over, y'all.
She take time out vlog, say cut! Cut!
Hello, November.
Butter and an egg.
Now we're moving on
Chocolate
to the chocolate chip cookies.
Yay, my favorite.
Where was this butter?
This butter. We can put up everything else. In the meantime, what shall I be gonna say? This must be top to deserve such treatment.
Look at her washing.
Clean it up. You have to clean up between stuff so you don't have too much things to do when you're doing every time.
Blame it on the weekend. Where's he go? Okay, it compute in camera.
Shade with that.
No. Not it.
Let me see. This one, let me see.
The chocolate chips though.
What if I can use it? Ice cream. All I have to do is the ice, you know.
Alright.
Brain.
We're gonna need to soften the butter again.
Hello, we're not talking on my video. So yeah, this is it right here. This one is mine, people, the big one. See it? Yes, that's mine. Yes. So they're doing well. They're going to put it in the oven right now. Let's have them. One,
2 and 3. Here, be the inside. Feeder.
That's hot.
Hopefully it didn't cook inside and out proper. It's still make it cold, you know, to kind of get little more.
On today's episode, we're gonna help Romain to make his confession.
Yay! So our oatmeal is now chilled after 1 hour. So come Shay, get on it again. Alright guys, so we took them out and I still have some. But I'm gonna try to remove them and it's a break. So I'm just gonna do a little because we kind of have this gas. So we'll need to oil. Alright guys, so it's now the next morning. I placed them in this. I did give away some, so that's why I ended up having one of the black one because of where I put it, and it's kind of thin, so that one burns, so that's from these. But these turned out pretty well. They kind of feel tough now because they're in the fridge, but once they thaw, they'll be fine. But they're pretty good, so yeah, these are what we are left with. I gave away some to Taylor and to other people, you know. So yeah, that's how they turned out. Pretty nice. Might eat my cooker.